Hi, I'm Patrick McGuigan, the Repair Division Manager. In this video, we look at how to bring your observations and other concerns to the customer's attention after your diagnosis. This is step 2 in setting the conditions for success after step 1, the agenda commitment. Showing the customer pictures or video of damaged or poorly installed components on their home is the best way to get them involved, to feel the pain and create a sense of urgency to act. It also gives you the chance to plant the seeds for your repair options that might be more costly than they anticipated. And you can get them thinking about replacement as an option as well. Let's take a look. All right, Miss Austin, I took a look at the roof and I have some pictures you'll want to see.
Oh, wow, that bad, huh?
Well, I've seen worse, but we can definitely help you get that leak under control and talk about some long-term solutions too, okay?
Okay,
all right.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, so this first one here, that's the area where you're seeing that leak. There's no obvious damage, nothing I can just point to and say, bingo, that's your problem. But there's a few shingles with nails popping through. I've seen plenty of bad leaks happen from less, so we can definitely try to fix that up for you. All right.
But will that stop the leak?
Maybe. You know, I can't guarantee it because of the condition of the roof, but it's the only visible damage in that area aside from general wear. Definitely worth taking a shot at. I'd do it on my own home.
What else can I do? I mean, is there other options?
Well, the only long-term solution would be to replace the roof entirely. That's the only thing we could do to put a warranty on it. But here, take a look. This is your chimney. The flashing is pulling away, letting water into your living space. Yeah. Again, the only surefire fix there would be to completely reflash it. And then you've got 6 or 8 shingles up on the ridge that are broken off. Could have been raccoons. Hard to say. They're kind of brittle. And then you've got these, all 3 of your pipe collar gaskets. They seem to be the original ones from when the roof was installed about 20 years ago. They only last usually 5 to 10 years, so they definitely need some attention. That's a surefire leak. All right.
Wow, I had no idea.
Well, I mean, that's why you called us, right?
Yes.
And that's why I take pictures to show you so you can see the issue for yourself. One more thing, your gutters are pretty clogged. Probably time for a cleaning.
Oh, wow. Yeah, they were installed new last year, and we haven't had them cleaned since, so.
No, yeah, they look great. They look like they did a really good job installing them. It's just the debris. Time for a cleaning.
Well, at least there's that.
Yeah, right. Well, I'll go write up some options for you. I'll come back and we'll sit down and talk about it. How's that?
Okay, sounds great. Yes.
All right, great. Thanks.